Great. Now I have to put this in the manure section. Alright, now where were we? Oh yes. Come back here. Here, I appear this belongs to you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. It would be more pleasured if we are in order. And by saying, my name is Brockus. I can control Manston's firepower and destroy astrology meaning. And Highness, controlling weather and disrupting inclusive diseases. Hi, I'm Spike. If you notice that, I'm very sensitive and very scarce. And I'm Quarless. Alternate, Megan, and Sticks. What's your name? My name is Stacy. Hi, Stacy.